If you work with electrical systems or plumbing on a regular basis, you already know that the right tool can turn a frustrating job into a fast, clean one. KNIPEX has earned its reputation for professional-grade tools built around precision, durability, and smart engineering. In this roundup, we're breaking down 17 KNIPEX tools that can seriously level up your efficiency, accuracy, and comfort on the job. From heavy-duty pliers to specialized cutters and gripping tools, these picks are worth adding to any serious electrician's or plumber's kit. Let's jump right in.
For anyone working with MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 PV plug-type connectors and solar installations, the KNIPEX PreciForce 9752426 is a game changer. What makes it so good? Well, it's a 3-in-1 tool. You can cut, strip, and crimp with just this one plier. It features an improved crimp geometry that ensures excellent conductivity, crucial for reliable solar connections. You'll also appreciate the process-secure, consistently high crimp quality thanks to its IEC lock. This means every crimp is precise and repeatable. The crimping pressure is factory calibrated, so you don't have to worry about adjustments. Plus, its efficient lever action gives you high crimping force without excessive effort. It's designed for good handling, with a favorable handle position, low weight, and ergonomically shaped grips, making it comfortable for extended use. This tool is all about making your PV installation and maintenance tasks more efficient and reliable. For those serious about solar, the KNIPEX tool case for photovoltaics 979104V03 is worth a close look. This isn't just a case, it's a complete, all-inclusive solution for anyone working with MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 PV plug-type connectors. It comes packed with high-quality tools for every step: cutting, stripping, crimping, and assembly. Inside, you'll find specialized tools like the Precision Insulation Stripper 12-12-12, which is designed for solar cable insulation, and the Crimp System Pliers 974366 Evo, which are factory calibrated for precise crimping. The case also includes the set of mounting tools 9749663 for tightening and unlocking connections. All these tools are optimized for common solar cable cross-sections like 4, 6, and 10 square millimeters. What's really great is the impact-resistant plastic case with custom foam inserts, keeping everything organized and protected. This set boosts your efficiency and ensures every connection meets the strict standards for watertight and dust-proof PV systems. For staying organized and mobile on the job, check out the KNIPEX Modular X18 Tool Backpack. This isn't just a bag, it's a versatile carrying solution for professionals on the go. Its modular design features internal panels with pockets and elastic loops that you can customize to fit your specific tools. This means everything has its place, cutting down on time spent searching. It uses Fidlock magnetic buckles, which are super easy to open and close with one hand even when wearing gloves. Plus, its exterior has MOLLE webbing for attaching extra pouches or accessories. It also includes a padded compartment for your laptop or tablet, keeping electronics safe. The full clamshell opening gives you immediate access to all your gear. And its durable, splash-proof construction with an impact-resistant molded bottom handles tough job site conditions. The Modular X18 combines comfort, organization, and ruggedness for any demanding work environment. Here's a highly adaptable stripping tool built for fast, intuitive work, the Evo Strip. It's a self-adjusting insulation stripper designed to handle a wide variety of cable types without requiring manual adjustments. It automatically adapts to solid, multi-stranded, and fine-stranded conductors from 0.03 to 10 square millimeters, making it perfect for electricians who need speed and reliability. A key advantage is the triple-function design. You can strip round cables, remove individual wires, and cut conductors using its integrated blades. The ergonomic pistol grip shape ensures comfortable handling, while the rotating blade cassette provides optimal access in tight spaces. With replaceable blades and sturdy glass fiber reinforced construction, the Evo Strip delivers long-term accuracy and durability for everyday electrical tasks.
Here's a cutter designed specifically for precision in those really tight spots, the KNIPEX Slim Nippers. Its slim, pen-like shape means you get a clear view of your work, making it perfect for confined spaces. You can even hold it like tweezers for delicate tasks. One standout feature is the transport lock, which keeps the tool safely closed. When you're ready, it springs open for quick action. It's fantastic for cable ties. You can tighten them without cutting by engaging the lock, then make a perfectly flush cut thanks to its micro offset edges, leaving no sharp edges behind. Whether you need to cut stranded wire up to 2.5 square millimeters or solid conductors up to 1.3 millimeters, the Slim Nippers deliver. It's available in durable tool steel or rust-proof inox surgical steel with an optional holster for easy carrying. This tool truly brings precision and convenience to your everyday work.
Here's a professional-grade pipe cutter made specifically for thick-walled plastic pipes and foam core materials, the KNIPEX DPT50. It delivers clean and precise cuts on pipes from 20 to 50 millimeters in diameter, making it ideal for plumbing, construction, and installation work. The tool features a durable, replaceable blade and a ratcheting mechanism that reduces effort while maintaining full cutting power. Its special blade geometry ensures smooth, deformation-free cuts, preventing damage to pipe ends. The ergonomic handle design provides a secure and comfortable grip even during repetitive operations. With its robust build quality and optimized leverage, the DPT50 enables controlled cutting of even the toughest PVC, PP, and PE pipes, ensuring professional results every time. Here's a perfect entry-level tool for anyone looking for a reliable wire stripper, the ComStrip. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency, automatically stripping solid, multi-stranded, and finely stranded wires from 0.2 to 6 square millimeters without manual adjustments. For specific materials or temperature conditions, a fine adjustment lets you precisely set the cutting depth. It also features a cable cutter for solid conductors up to 2.5 square millimeters and finely stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters. Its compact head makes it ideal for tight spaces. The body is made of glass fiber reinforced plastic, making it lightweight yet durable, and the replaceable blades guarantee long-lasting performance. If you're tackling tough cutting jobs, this is your go-to. It's engineered to give you maximum performance with minimal effort, actually requiring about 20% less force than older models. That means less strain on your hands even during continuous use. The cutting edges are induction hardened to around 64 HRC, so they stay sharp for a long time, handling everything from soft wires to piano wire. What's really neat is the design that lets you cut almost flush with the surface, which is super handy for clean finishes. Plus, it comes with the KNIPEX tether system, a secure attachment point for a tether, keeping your tools safe when you're working up high. It's a versatile, high-performance cutter built for professionals in electrical, construction, and industrial fields. Here's something essential for solar professionals, the KNIPEX set of mounting tools 9749663. This compact set is specifically designed for the installation and maintenance of MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 PV plug-type connectors. What makes these tools so clever is their dual functionality. They're perfect for both tightening the housing screw connections and safely unlocking the plug connections. You get two tools in one, and they even have integrated magnets to keep them together, so you won't lose one while working. This thoughtful design means quick coupling for transport and easy detachment when you need them. Made from robust glass fiber reinforced plastic, they're durable yet lightweight, weighing only 66 grams and measuring only 107 by 50 by 35 millimeters. This set simplifies a crucial part of photovoltaic work, ensuring secure and reliable connections every time. It's a small but mighty addition to any PV toolkit, making your work faster and more efficient. For handling large cables, the KNIPEX STX60 stripping tool 1645220 is a real game changer. If you're dealing with diameters from 6 to 60 millimeters, this tool makes stripping quick and precise. It's built with high-quality die-cast aluminum, ensuring it's robust enough for industrial PV and wind power plants. One of its clever features is the pivoting guide rollers, which make longitudinal cuts smoother and circumferential cuts incredibly accurate, preventing unwanted spiral cuts. Safety is also a priority. The blade is fully retractable for transport and storage, reducing any risk of injury. You'll love the quick adjustment mechanism for switching between cable diameters and a fine adjustment knob for perfect blade depth. Plus, it has 2 spare blades conveniently stored right in the handle. Whether you're making a circular cut or a longitudinal cut, even with tough insulation like rubber, the STX60 delivers. It's all about efficiency and precision for those heavy-duty stripping tasks. Here's a highly precise and versatile crimping solution for turned pin and socket contacts. The KNIPEX 4-mandrel crimping system platform 9752X6, designed to handle a massive range of connectors. The system is modular, meaning you can adapt it to over 1,000 different connectors and sizes from various manufacturers by swapping out locators. You even have a choice between analog pliers or a digital version with an LCD screen for precise adjustments. A standout feature is the online crimp finder tool on the KNIPEX website. Just input your connector's part number, and it tells you exactly which pliers, locator, and settings to use. This takes the guesswork out of achieving a perfect crimp. The locators are easy to install and change using the provided hex keys. Once set, the synchronous feed of the crimping mandrels ensures a uniform, gas-tight crimp. The system is all about precision, reliability, and adaptability. Here's a specialized gripping tool made for reaching tight, narrow spots where regular pliers struggle, the Cobra ES. It features elongated, slimmer jaws compared to standard Cobra models, giving you superior access in confined spaces. Ideal for maintenance, service work, and intricate assemblies, the jaws include front serrations for gripping round components like screws and bolts, while a groove near the tip securely holds nails and pins. Flat materials are managed effectively with the 3-point gripping system. Adjustments are made easily with the push-button mechanism directly on the workpiece, offering a precise fit with multiple settings. Its self-locking design ensures a firm, slip-free grip on nuts and pipes, reducing hand fatigue. Built from high-grade chrome vanadium electric steel with a rugged box joint construction, the Cobra ES is engineered for consistent, long-lasting performance. Here's a truly versatile tool for professionals working with photovoltaic systems, the KNIPEX Multi-Crimp. It's a high-performance crimping plier set that streamlines your workflow by combining 3 key functions in one. It includes 3 interchangeable crimping dies for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, uninsulated cable connectors, and wire ferrules. Switching dies is quick and requires no extra tools, and they're stored safely in a round magazine holding up to 5 dies. This allows you to work on PV cables, earthen conductors, and meter cabinet connections without changing tools. You can crimp MC4 connectors in 4 and 6 square millimeters, attach uninsulated earthen cables from 0.5 to 10 square millimeters, and handle conductors from the inverter to the cabinet using the die for insulated and uninsulated wire ferrules from 0.25 to 6 square millimeters. Precision dies and an unlockable ratchet mechanism ensure consistent, high-quality crimps every time. The ErgoStrip PV is perfect for photovoltaic system installations. It's engineered for fast and precise stripping of PV cables in 4 and 6 square millimeters, like H1 Z2 Z2 K-types, as well as standard round and damp-proof installation cables. Its ergonomic pistol grip design makes cutting, stripping, and longitudinal sheath cuts effortless. A key feature is the adjustable length stop for PV cables from 6 to 18 millimeters, ideal for preparing wires for standard solar connectors. The tool's slim, conical ends provide better access in tight spaces. It also includes a stripping mechanism for various PVC conductors with location ridges for accurate wire insertion. An opening spring and locking device enhance user comfort, while a multi-component handle with a soft plastic zone ensures a secure grip during work. The Step Cut XL delivers maximum leverage and capacity. Its long handles, high leverage joint, and optimized edges make cutting easier than smaller cable shears. It handles solid copper or aluminum cables up to 35 square millimeters, stranded cables up to 70, and fine stranded cables up to 120 square millimeters. dual cutting areas, stepped edges for small and large cables, and front edges for massive cables allow efficient work. Operated with 1 or 2 hands, the adjustable bolted joint ensures smooth, precise cutting. Slim head design improves access in tight panels, and a pinch guard adds safety. Laser-hardened cutting edges promise long service life. That wraps up our rundown of 17 KNIPEX tools built to make your electrical and plumbing work faster, cleaner, and easier. Whether you're a working pro or a dedicated DIYer, investing in quality tools pays off in time saved, accuracy gained, and jobs done right the first time. KNIPEX keeps raising the bar with smart engineering and dependable performance built for daily use. Which of these tools would you grab first for your own toolbox? Drop a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.